Hey everyone, welcome to another JKD Fart Friday night session with Big Ray and JKD Seafood Mike Goldberg here in Halton City. Now, one thing we want to be perfectly clear. The first time we went over the JKD Foot Trap number 1, we want to make a clarification. Number 1, if you were doing JKD and your awareness level was at its peak, you would just basically intercept your attacker. But sometimes due to, who knows, maybe you had both earplugs in while you're listening to your tunes. I would never do that, but some people do. You're in a crowded area and you just weren't paying attention. Who knows? Maybe the wife was yelling at you the other night. But anyway, we're first going to review the JKD Foot Trap number 1. So Ray's here and he pushes me and I push him away and I get my foot on top of him and then we push him away and into the wall. Now we're going to show you number 2. JKD Foot Trap number 2, where the foot will go behind the knee of your opponent. So when he pushes me, I swing my foot over and notice how his knee is going down and my knee's right here. Look how he's in the perfect position where I can strike either here in between the shoulder blades, where if you only have one attacker, that's what I would recommend, because you don't want to permanently damage, an attacker. You just want to end the fight right away. So I would just take a good old hammer, right down there, a little hip action there to in between the shoulder blades, and then just push them away. However, if there are multiple attackers, okay, and you want to basically nip it in the bud, at least one person, then that might be the course of action that you might want to take. So at the base, right here, it's called the green stem. Take that hammer, wham, wham, and push them away. The reason I stress being careful striking that area is that you could permanently injure someone. All right, that Big Ray and I always say, be aware, be safe. Bye, y'all.